Animal, animal, gonna bite your flesh when I jump your bones. If I smell your scent, I could lose control. Don't let me hurt ya. Same color in your eyes, all your thoughts depraved, uncivilized. Have we both gone mad, trying to disguise our true nature?
And she lifted it up whenever you guys went or galloping around.
No.
Gallivanting.
No, we went jumping off a cliff.
Jumping from the shower rock.
We're jumping
No,
off
I'm
a
just
cliff.
saying.
What were you saying? Just two woodsmen. I don't know if you can see it.
Planting the route.
Just two woodsmen route planning.
That's it.
So we made it to Lake Powell
Can I see my
There's another one.
last night.
Josh peeing. Sorry. Can you hear me?
Probably.
We made it!
Cut.
So Lake Powell
I'm
last night in the
editing
dark. Got here in the dark.
Brutal.
We got here in the dark. A lot of bugs. Spiders everywhere. Spiders all over the ground. What'd you think about the spiders, Jared?
Wasn't great. Moved camp.
We moved camp.
I didn't see the spiders. It was the bugs that bothered me.
There was a spider on
didn't
my
see
leg,
the
but it wasn't
spiders?
bad.
I mean, I saw the one crawling on her,
There were spiders everywhere.
They were literally
but it was just
everywhere.
hot.
There were
was just-
literally spiders everywhere.
Any rock you moved, there was a spider underneath.
Where are you going, Morgan? So we made it. It was everything up until that point was beautiful. The drive, gorgeous.
Oh, yeah. And then it just went
95 west from Monticello, beautiful. The best road I've ever driven on in my life.
Yeah, it was pretty.
So we get here and
It's
we
a lot
just
of camping.
a lot of camping right off the road, which is, I mean, maybe that's not rare. I don't know. But there's just a lot of beautiful camping, a lot of canyons, a lot of scenery. It was awesome. We get here, we're just all dead set that it's just going to be a great night.
And then
Well,
it
no,
turned-
we went down the first one and
It was
kinda
beautiful,
went
though.
dead-ended. Yes, and it dead ended.
And then we just took a drive and we ended up at the lake. We found out where we were trying to go. But we got here and there were spiders everywhere. It was blistering hot, a lot of bugs. So we got up this morning, we did some recon, found a better spot. We're in a much better spot. Haven't seen any spiders.
I have
How many?
Where?
like some rocks.
We have a lizard friend running around.
We got
though.
lizards, but
He's
that's okay.
big.
So the camp,
Lizards are awesome.
really nice. Lake, beautiful.
Did you show me
Sun,
one?
blistering.
Brutal. That's
We got
hot.
a tarp system set up right here over my head, which is nice. But outside of that, overall great.
Yeah,
But unless if you
Ice melted. We need a refrigerator.
unless if you
we knew that was gonna happen.
Yeah, I was pushing as long as I could on that one.
unless
So, if you haven't, subscribe to the channel so you can see more blistering hot videos like this one. And we're going to cook steaks tonight, but it's going to be 97 degrees at 6 o'clock.
so we can cook steaks in the
So that's going to be, we haven't even braved that trail yet. But overall, I can't complain. We're going to hang out, and we're going to the canyon tomorrow.
Why?
So, we'll see you in the canyon. Probably see you before the canyon. Bye.
Our most primal ways, they won't be refused. I've tried to tame her. I go wild over you. I go wild over you.
Made it out to the jumping rock. I walked here with no shoes on, which was such a big mistake. But I have this strap sandal tan that I'm just not entirely fond of. So, here I am, burnt to the crisp feet. But it's a beautiful spot. Lake Powell did not disappoint. And we got a couple of buffoons crawling up here somewhere. Where are they at? Well, they're getting wet, which is the only thing you can do to keep from the heat taking over. An awning, definitely need an awning. A refrigerator, definitely need a refrigerator, especially if you're going to be doing anything in the desert. So, what do you got, Co? Come on, give me something good. Front flip. We're gonna enjoy this beautiful sunshine and this extremely hot weather and just swim our day away.
I've heard you talking to the moon. Your sensibilities, all the rules that make a society. Wanna misbehave, wanna set you free. I wanna break you.
We all learned a very valuable lesson today. What was that lesson, Mom?
Lake Powell is terrible.
It's not terrible.
It's not terrible.
It's nice. It's blistering hot. But is it not
Yeah, it's blistering hot.
is it not the edge of the sun? So what happened? So today we've moved. And the
Watching this and you're a redhead,
and the-
don't go.
what'd you say?
If you're watching this and you're a redhead, don't go.
Yeah, if you're watching this and you're a redhead, like Schmorgy, right? Don't go. So we moved twice today. We woke up like, hey, you know what? The water was great. Let's move over to the other spot and camp there. We were there,
Got all set up.
all
We were
set
all
up, hanging
tarps.
out. You know, just got sun blocks going. We're doing great. Well, and then we all.
Spiders.
I don't care about that. We all got burned to a crisp. And then the wind. Gale force. So, what we've done is we've decided to come to a much more
Palm Springs Campground.
serene place where there's very little sun,
Mommy.
a slight breeze that feels great. And we're gonna cook some steaks. And we're gonna wake up tomorrow whenever we want. And we're gonna make pancakes and bacon in the morning. It's gonna be a true camp. Because Don back there, Jared, he's checked out.
Tan though.
You're tan. Can I just
all
see?
tan.
Can I just see your feet? Look at this. This is the truth.
Really gonna show him?
This is the truth
Show him yours.
of Lake Powell.
Gosh.
So we're gonna cook some dinner and hang out by this fire and wait for it to get cooled down a little bit and go to sleep and wake up whenever we want. And we'll talk to you guys when we're done doing
Your
that.
eyes, all your thoughts depraved, uncivilized. Have we both gone mad, trying to disguise our true nature? I go wild over you. I go wild over you. I go wild over you. And I've heard you talking to the moon. Our most primal ways, they won't be refused. I've tried to tame them. Yeah, I go wild over you. I go wild over you. I go wild over you. And I've heard you talking to